some irregular rules. Sing along with me until you memorize. Then let's master the irregulars. Go and go, sing this song out loud. See, saw, see, learning this way is a breeze. Sing, sang, sung, everyone joins in one by one. Do, did, done, learning can be fun. Be, was, were, been, to be or to be all the way to the end. Begin, began, begun, learning can be fun.
Break, broke, broken, nothing here stays broken. Bring, brought, it's caught in my memory.
Great, font, pause, everything's fine, everything's great. Choose, chose, chosen, English is already open. They've changed in the past, sing it again. The secret to memory is practicing English.
Your mind will follow the rhythm and the verbs will start to stick.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. With music, everything will stick. Clap your hands here to the approve.
Irregular verbs are cool now.
Go and go, sing the song out loud. See, saw, seen, learning this way is a breeze. Sing, sang, sung, everyone joins in one by one. Do, did, done, learning can be fun. Come, came, come, everyone beats the drum. Drink, drank, drunk, giving every time we'll walk. Drive, drove, driven on the road to the living room. Eat, ate, eaten at lunch, you're in season. Fall, fell, fallen, never get stolen. Feel, felt, feel, said you'll learn it, then belt it out. Repeat, sing non-stop, your English will improve. Each verb sinks into your mind, in the chorus it feels different ways. Go and gone, sing this song out loud. See, saw, seen, learning this way is a breeze. Sing, sang, sung, everyone joins in one by one. Do, did, done, learning can be fun. Find, found, find, the sound became surround. Microphone, never study alone. Forget, forgot, forgotten, don't let your English go rotten. Guess, got, gotten, or just put it. Give, given, learning is living. Grow, grew, grown, your knowledge has grown. If the verb changes, that's okay. You'll learn by singing too. From the present to the past participle.